Hello, in this video we'll see how to write alphabet P in Tigrigna. So this is P, this is P, let's start, Pu, P, Pa, P, P, Po. I will show you how to write it. Okay, so P, this is I'm gonna write it in green. P is written like this. Okay, let's write P 7 times here. P. I will do the others here. Okay. So how do we change this one to Pu, this to P, Pa, Pe, Pi, Po? Okay. So for example, this is Pe, but if I add a line to the right from the middle of the leg here, it reads Pu, P, Pa, Pe. In P, we'll make a little bit of difference here. So what we do is first we go this way and like ne, you remember ne? Yeah, so it's ne, but just add a line at the top to make it read pe. And po, I will again do some change here. We'll intercept, not intercept, but start from around the middle, and then we kind of make it slanted. So it's not straight. If it's straight, it's pe, right? But just go down and then go from around the middle to the right, left, there is a slanted line. So let me write it quickly again. Pe is like this. Pu, P, Pa, Pe, Pu, see, Ne, and then like that. And Po is like that. Just from around the middle, it's kind of slanted towards the left. Po. Okay. And so this is Pe. This is Pu, P, Pa, Pe, Pu, and lastly we have Po. Thank you guys. So this was about Pe, Pu, Pi, Pa, Pe, Pu, Po. Please practice this and the other alphabets that we've covered in the previous videos. Bye.